gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. You might be a little confused today by this video, but if you guys have seen the makeup lucky scoops over on TikTok, a lot of people went crazy over that. I decided for my gem members, those of you that pay that monthly membership fee for added perks, I would go ahead and make my own pool, which is behind me, and the bucket is too. So today we're going to do another lucky scoop, and then we're going to draw a winner and see which one of my gem members it's going to go to. Okay, are you guys ready? So what is a gem membership and what type of perks do you get? Okay, so immediately when you click that join button, you're gonna see 3 tiers. There is one that's $1.99, one that's $4.99, and one that is $9.99. You get a welcome gift. Everybody gets a welcome gift. I also do exclusive lives, exclusive members only videos, and exclusive content that's tailored just to you guys. And upon receiving your welcome gift, you'll also get a raffle ticket. At the end of year, I collect new releases throughout the year and other items, and at the end of the year I do a live stream and I do a live giveaway, and I pull out those tickets and I call your names, and then I send you an eyeshadow palette is what it usually is, but there are other items that I choose as well. So throughout the year there's quite a few things that I do. I have little stickers and different things when I do live streams that show next to your name to show that you are a member of the gem community. And yeah, so it's exciting. I love doing it. I love getting to know you guys better and to connect with you. So if that's something that you're interested in doing, you may or may not see the join button from your mobile screen. You may have to use the laptop or an iPad to get into that. And if you've got any questions, put that down in the comments. I'll answer them for you. Okay, so now back to the video. This is the exciting part. I get to go do a scoop and then we get to choose a gem member. So excited. Okay, so being that I have a small house, I put my pool on my bed. So you guys aren't going to be able to see a whole lot from here, but we're going to go ahead and do a scoop. So Jessica Moreno won last week, and I don't know if she emailed me to let me know about her current address, but Jess, if you're watching this, I need to make sure I have the current address. Alright, what else do we have in here? I am doing more than one scoop, making sure I fill this baby up. Alright, here we are. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go through what's in here, and then I will go ahead and choose a gem member, and then you guys will contact me and I will send it out to you, and I'm so excited. Okay, so here we are. We have, the first thing is from Beauty Bay, and it's a powder highlighter. Let me go ahead and show you what this looks like. I love doing these videos. These are by far my favorite videos to do. Ooh, okay, so it's called Trophy. Look at how pretty that is. Wow, all right. So far so good. Okay, next thing we have is by Avrani, and it is Holistic Skincare Rituals. I believe this is a toner. No, I'm sorry, Balance Restoring Serum. Okay, that is heavy, so that's glass. Then we've got by Cab Lemon Line Lip Oil Duo. Then we have by Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. Well, it seems like there's a lot of skincare in this one. Then we have by Earth Harbor the Aurora Ampoule or Serum, as I like to call it. All right, let me see how many items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 items in here. And now let's see who gets it. Okay, here we are. Now, once you do have your name pulled, your name will not go back in. This has to be fair for everyone. So if you, Jessica, her name's no longer in here. She was the one from last time. Oh, look at this. We have Alice. Congratulations, Alice. I'm so excited. Ooh, today is the double scoop day because Black Friday, so I get to do another scoop. Yes, let's do it. I almost forgot. I didn't get Black Friday's done. So we have last week and now we have this week to do. So we're doing an additional scoop. Dun, 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 dun. Right. Let's see what we got. One more scoop. Scoops. I just go ahead and do 3 scoops, fill it up. Since I'm using my my freshly cleaned dog food scooper to do this. Okay, so let's see what this scoop has. Ooh, okay, so this one has more makeup in it. Ace Beauty. This is the Scarlet Dusk palette. Let me go ahead and show you what she looks like. It is here. Ooh, very nice. All right, so there's no rhyme or reason to what I throw in that pool and what we pick out. It is just a makeup lucky scoop. Okay, let's see, what else do we have? Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This looks like a single eyeshadow and the shade is Tasty. Ooh, that's a nice shade. Okay. Next, okay, Wet n Wild, the SpongeBob highlighter. That's pretty. Ooh, and another eyeshadow palette. Very cool. This is Kara Beauty. Look at that. That's super cute. Super, super cute. So these come apart. Let me just go ahead and show you. There it is there. Right, now we get to choose a name. Okay, you guys ready for this? And then I will add more stuff for next week. So there is 4 items in this one. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Who do I have? Who do I have? Allie! Allie Bow! Congratulations, sweetheart! Okay, guys, so that's it. That is everything. If you've got any questions about gem memberships or if you have any questions about this video, go ahead and put that down in the comments. I can't wait to talk to you guys there. Make sure to congratulate Allie and Alice, and I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye!